Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritious inspiration. On this channel, we're embarking on an exciting journey to create an alphabetical encyclopedia of healthy habits. Each day, we'll unveil a new video featuring a different healthy ingredient, exploring its benefits and ways to incorporate it into your lifestyle. Get ready to expand your knowledge and embrace a world of wellness, one letter at a time. Picture this, a beautifully curated encyclopedia where each page is dedicated to an ingredient that holds incredible health benefits. From A to Z, we'll cover an array of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, herbs, and more. With each video, you'll unlock the secrets of these ingredients, discovering their unique properties and the positive impact they can have on your well-being. We're not just about the theory. We'll bring these ingredients to life by showing you how to incorporate them into delicious and nutritious recipes. From appetizers to desserts, our creative and easy-to-follow cooking demonstrations will help you make the most of each ingredient, elevating your meals to a whole new level of goodness. But wait, there's more. The Healthy Pantry is not just about the ingredients themselves. We're also passionate about fostering healthy habits that extend beyond the kitchen. Join us for practical tips on self-care practices, and much more. Together, we'll build a comprehensive encyclopedia of healthy habits to nourish your body, mind, and soul. Whether you're seeking to improve your digestion, boost your immune system, enhance mental clarity, or simply cultivate a balanced lifestyle, our alphabetical encyclopedia will be your go-to resource. Each video will be filled with bite-sized information and actionable tips, empowering you to make positive choices that support your overall well-being. At the Healthy Pantry, we believe that good nutrition is the foundation of a thriving life. Our channel is dedicated to empowering you with the knowledge and resources to make positive choices for yourself and your loved ones. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey that celebrates the art of nourishing your body. So, whether you're a seasoned health enthusiast or just starting on your wellness journey, the Healthy Pantry is here to guide and support you every step of the way. Fuel your body, nourish your soul, and embrace the vibrant flavors of a life well lived at the Healthy Pantry. Let food be thy medicine, and let our shelves be your sanctuary of well-being. Through our carefully curated content, we'll introduce you to a vast array of ingredients that are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients and health-boosting properties. From exotic superfoods to everyday pantry staples, we'll uncover the hidden gems that can supercharge your energy levels and elevate your overall health. Imagine discovering a vibrant world of ingredients that can support your immune system, enhance mental clarity, improve digestion, and promote radiant skin. Our channel is here to guide you through this transformative journey, revealing the secrets of nature's bounty and showing you how to incorporate these ingredients into your daily life. So, get ready to embark on this alphabetical adventure with us and to unlock the secrets of hundreds of surprising ingredients that will revolutionize your energy and health. Thank you for joining the Healthy Pantry. We're thrilled to have you on board as we explore the ABCs of wellness. Get ready to unlock the power of healthy habits, one letter at a time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video.